Okay, good morning, second piece students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Inverse of the matrix, 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix inverse. What is the formula of inverse? A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. Adjoint A by det A. So, today, some results. Let us go to the some results. Problem number 12. Let A is equal to 3, 7, 2, 5, 3, 7, 2, 5 and B is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9. 6, 8, 7, 9. Verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Okay. So first RHS. First solution given A is equal to 3, 7, 2, 5. Next det A. Det A is equal to det A. How to find out det A? Det A is equal to 3 into 5, 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. No, det A. So, first we have to find out or A into B, first A by A into B, next AB whole inverse and B inverse, A inverse and multiple of A inverse and B inverse. This is procedure. So, first A, det A. What is adjoint A? Adjoint A. Adjoint A is equal to what? Adjoint A. How to find out adjoint A? 2 by 2 matrix adjoint A. So, interchange the first and last element. Interchange the first and last element and remaining elements sign will change. We have to change sign. Only sign. Interchange the first and last elements and remaining elements sign will be changed. This is the adjoint A. So, A inverse formula, A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. Adjoint A by det A, adjoint A 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3 by det A value 1. So, same 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. A inverse. Next, B inverse is equal to adjoint B by det B. Adjoint B by det B. So, B, adjoint B, first adjoint B. How to find adjoint B? Interchange the first and last elements 6 to 9 interchange and second element only sign we have to change. We have to change minus 7. Okay. Minus 6 minus 8 minus 7 by det A. Det A value det B cross multiplication 9 into 6 9 6 54 9 6 45 54 8 7 56 9 6 ఏమో 9 6 54 8 7 56. So, that is equal to direct adjoint A by direct. We have to calculate directly. So, 9 minus 8 minus 7 6 by minus 2. So, 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2, 1 by 54 minus 56 minus 2, 1 by minus 2 into 98 minus 7. So, this is adjoint A, B inverse. Next, what is the RHS? RHS is equal to B inverse into A inverse. What is the B inverse? Minus 1 by 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 7 6 into A inverse. A inverse is equal to this one, A inverse 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. Multiply. 2 matrix multiplication. Okay, 2 matrix multiplication. How to find out multiplication? This is rows, first matrix rows, second matrix columns. Okay, so right, 9 into 5, 9 into 5, 9 into 5, 9 into 5 plus minus 8 into minus 2, minus 8 into minus 2, the columns, the row column. How to multiply? First matrix rows, second matrix columns have to multiply. So 9 into 5, 40, 9 into 5 plus minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16, minus 8 into minus 2. So first element completed. This is 1. First in 2 by 2 matrix, what is the 2 by 2 matrix? First A11, A12, A21, A22. This one. A11 means first row, first column. First row, first column. Okay. Next. Actually A11, A12, A21, A22. This one. A11 means first row, first column. First row, first column. Okay. First matrix, first row, second matrix, first column. This is A11 element. Next A12 element, first matrix, first row, second matrix, second column. So 9 into 7. 9 into minus 7 plus 9 into minus 7 plus minus 8 into 3. Minus 8 into 3. This is second element. Next third element 2, 1. 2, 1 means second row, first matrix, second row, second matrix, first column. Minus 7 into 5. Minus 7 into 5 plus 6 into minus 2. Next A22. Second row, second column. First matrix, second row, second matrix, second column. Minus 7 into minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 7 plus 6 into 3. That is equal to 6 into 3. That is equal to 95. 9 into 5. 9 5 so 45. 8 minus 2 into minus 8 plus 16. Plus 16. This is minus 1 by 2 also. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. E minus 1 by 2 same as it is up to last. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into, so 9 into 5, 45 plus 16, 9 into minus 7, minus 63, minus 63, minus 8 into 3, minus 24, minus 24. Next, minus 7 into 5, minus 35, plus 6 into minus 2, minus 12. Next, minus 7 into minus 7, 49, plus 18 is equal to this one. So, minus 1 by 2, you minus 1 by 2 common, minus 1 by 2 into 45 plus 16, 50, 61, 61. Next, minus 63, minus 24, minus 87, minus 87. Next, minus 35, minus 12, minus 47, minus 47. 49 plus 18, 59, 67. This is RHS, B inverse into A inverse, RHS. Okay. Next. That implies first A into B, next LHS, RHS completed. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 into 61 minus 87, this one. Next AB whole inverse, first we have to find out A into B. So first A is equal to 3, 7, 3, 7, 2, 5 into B is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9. So that is equal to, how to multiply? First row, first column, first row, second column. 3 into 6, 18, plus 7 into 7, 49. Next, 3 into 8, 24, 3 into 24, plus 63. Next, 2 into 6, 12, plus 5 into 7, 35. Next, 2 into 8, 16, plus 5 into 9, 5 into 9, 45. So that is equal to 80, 50, 67, 50, 67. Next to 24, 80, 97, 87, 87. Next to 12 plus 35. 12 plus 35 is equal to 47. Next to 50, 61. This is AB. So AB whole inverse. Next, what is the LHS? AB whole inverse. AB whole inverse is equal to, how to find out AB whole inverse is equal to adjoint to AB. Adjoint to AB by det AB. Adjoint AB by det AB. So first we have to find out det AB. This is AB. Determinant of AB. Determinant of AB is equal to, this is cross multiplication, 67. 67 into 61 minus 87 into 47. 87 into 47. So multiply 67 into 61. 67 into 61 is equal to 167. 7 6 42, 6 6 36, 40. So 4087. So 4087 minus 87 into 47. 7 7 so 49. 7 8 56. 56 4 60. Next 4 7 so 28. 4 7 so 28. 4 32, 34, 9, 8, 10, 4. So 4089. 4089, 40 minus 2. Okay, determinant of AB is equal to minus 2. Determinant of AB minus 2. So adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of AB. AB adjoint. This is AB. AB matrix. AB matrix adjoint matrix. Interchange the first and last elements. 61. This is last one. 67. So minus 87 minus 47. This one. By that A is equal to minus 2. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 61 minus 87 minus 47, 67. This is what? LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. What is the RHS? Minus 1 by 2 into 61. You go minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 61, minus 87, minus 47, 67. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. This is the problem, very important problem. So determine adjoint inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. Inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, adjoint A by det A. How to find out adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix? Interchange the first and last element and remaining element sign will be changed. Okay, this one determinant of A, this one problem. Okay, calculation must be important. Calculation is important. Clearly we have to calculate correctly without any mistakes, negative, positive. Okay, next 14th problem. For the matrix A is equal to for the matrix A is equal to 3, 2, 1, 1. Find the numbers small a and small b such that find the number small a and small b such that a square plus small a into capital A, small b into capital B, okay, small b into I is equal to 0. Okay, the matrix A is given here. Small a and small b are only elements, not a matrix. Elements. Okay. So O, this is O, not 0. O is means 0 matrix. 0 matrix denoted by capital O. So we have to using the condition, using this condition. Okay, we have using this condition. First to a square solution. First to a square is equal to now a square. A square is equal to a into a. A is equal to 3211 into 3211. First we have to find out a square, a into a. So same 3 into 3, 9, 2 into 1, 2. Next first row, second column, 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 1, 2. Next second row, 3 plus 1. Next 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 11, 8, 4, 3. This is a square. Take condition a square plus small a into I plus small b into I is equal to 0. A square value a square is equal to 11, 8, 4, 3 plus small a into capital A. Capital A is equal to 3, 2, 1, 1. Next small b into I is identity matrix. 2 by 2 identity matrix is equal to 0 matrix. 0 matrix means all zeros in the matrix. So 11, 8, 4, 3, 11, 8, 4, 3 plus multiply each element by small a, because scalar multiplication of a matrix. 3a, 2a, a plus this also same, b, 0, 0, b is equal to 0, 0, 0. Adding the three matrix. 11 plus 3a plus b, 8 plus 2a plus 0. 11. Adding, how to add matrix to matrix addition? Adding the corresponding elements. The first element in the first matrix, second element in the first matrix, second matrix in the first element, third matrix in the first element. All first adding. Next all second elements. 8 plus 2a plus 0. Okay. Next. So 4 plus a, third one, a plus 0. 3 plus a plus b. Adding the, how to add the matrix to matrix? Adding the corresponding elements. First to second to second. Okay. So that is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. So two matrices are equal. This is the 2 by 2 matrix and this is the 0 matrix, the 2 by 2 matrix. The two matrices are equal means the corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal means 11 plus 3a plus b is equal to 0. Okay. Next. This one. 8 plus 2a. 8 plus 2a is equal to 0. Next, 4 plus a is equal to 0. Next, 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. So 4 plus a is equal to 0 means what? A is equal to minus 4. Okay. A is equal to minus 4, substitute in this one. 3 minus 4 plus b equal to 0. So b is equal to 1. So 11. 3 into a, 12 plus 1, that minus 12. Okay, the ABC values, the a and b values is correct or wrong. How to check correct or wrong? Substitute ab values in the equations. 11 plus 3 into a, 3 into a minus 12 plus 11 minus 1 plus b 1, satisfied. So what is the a values and b values? A value is equal to minus 4 and b value is equal to 1. Okay. Next. Next, very important theorem. In the matrices, A and B are invertible matrix of the same order. A and B are invertible. A and B are invertible matrices. Invertible matrices of same order. Then AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse. Okay, prove first. What is the invertible definition? Invertible inverse definition. What is the inverse definition? A into A inverse into A is equal to I over B into B inverse is equal to B inverse into B is equal to I. A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. This is the invertible matrix definition. Any matrix, not only A or B. For For example, C is a invertible matrix. C into C inverse is equal to C inverse into C is equal to I. AB is a invertible matrix. AB is invertible matrix means what? AB into AB whole inverse. Okay, AB whole inverse into A is equal to I. So A inverse is the inverse of A. A inverse is the inverse of A. Or AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA is equal to I. This is also invertible matrix definition. So A into B is equal to B into A is equal to I. So B is the inverse of A or A is the inverse of B. Okay, this one. So this proved very important one. From the definition of inverse, by using the definition A inverse of a matrix. Okay, from the definition of inverse of a matrix. So AB into AB whole inverse is equal to I. What is the definition of inverse? A into A inverse. A inverse into A equal to I. So here AB is A, by the inverse definition, what we have to prove? AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So AB is a inverse matrix. We have to take AB is a inverse matrix. AB is inverse matrix means what? AB into AB whole inverse is equal to I. Okay. Next to multiply A inverse, pre-multiply both sides by A inverse. Pre-multiply means pre-multiply, post-multiply. Pre means before, post means after. So that implies A inverse into AB is equal AB into AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse into I. So that implies A inverse into A into B is equal to AB whole inverse into A inverse into I. This is very, very important. Okay. Multiply A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So A into A inverse into A is equal to what? I. So that implies I into B into AB whole inverse is equal to A inverse into any matrix into I is called, what is the I matrix? So I is the unit matrix. Any matrix into identity matrix is equal to any matrix. For example, A into I is equal to A, B into I is equal to B. So I into B is equal to B. B is equal to AB whole inverse equal to A inverse. Again, pre-multiply both sides B inverse by B inverse. So pre-multiply both sides by B inverse. So that is equal to B inverse into B into AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Pre-multiply, this is before multiply. Okay, B inverse into A. B inverse into B is equal to what? I into AB whole inverse is equal to I into AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So identity matrix into any matrix is equal to any matrix. So AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So once again, A and B are invertible matrices of same order, then AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. What is the inverse definition? AB into BA is equal to I. B is the inverse of A or A is the inverse of B. So B is the inverse of A means inverse of A is denoted by A inverse. Inverse of B is denoted by B inverse. Simply A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I over this one. So any matrix, not only A, B matrix, any matrix. So from the definition of inverse, what is the definition of inverse? A into B equal to B into A equal to I. A is equal to B is equal to C means what? A is equal to B is equal to C means A is equal to B or B is equal to C or A is equal to C. Equal. A is equal to B is equal to C means A is equal to B or B is equal to C, A is equal to C. So by the here AB is a matrix. Okay, AB is a inverse matrix. For example, AB is a inverse matrix. So AB is, A is inverse means A into A inverse is equal to A into A inverse is equal to I. So AB is inverse matrix means AB into AB whole inverse is equal to I, that is equal to AB whole inverse into AB. So first take the first part, AB into AB whole inverse is I. Pre-multiply means before, pre-multiply both sides by A inverse. So A inverse A on bracket, A inverse into A is equal to I, here also same, I into B is equal to B, A inverse into I is equal to A inverse. So again multiply, pre-multiply both sides by B inverse. So B inverse B inverse, B inverse B is equal to I into AB inverse, B inverse, very important one. Okay, this is today. Okay, tomorrow we continue the next model, next problem in our exercise.